I'm gonna try the no burp challenge with the
I wouldn't do that because it kind of shook on the way over here.
Rough.
Do this. Do this 3 times.
I know, this also works.
And then do that.
Alright, I'm starting. Go.
He can't be in it.
Why?
Because
Oh yeah, he's naked.
no, mom doesn't let him be in like videos.
Oh, it's already getting hard.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
You have to do it, but you have to do it the whole time.
No.
We're gonna stay asleep this time, right? Right. No matter what? No matter what! No matter what!
Dang, this new generation is way too Dang it! Keep it together, bloody.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's so hard.
It's hard as crap.
It's easy for me.
Yeah.
Listen, Joanne, I know you always looked up to me.
No, not at all.
So I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. If you really want to find the sandman, you gotta stop dreaming and start lucid dreaming.
Lucid dreaming.
Mm-hmm. If you
Oh my god.
take control of your dream, you just gotta have
My stomach is. Oh, my stomach.
in this open field of nothing.
That's right.
You're waiting to find system is overloaded. Need to twerking my feelings.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, that's enough.
Sprite's way over my eyes.
Come on, you got this.
You have like a minute left. No. 50 seconds left.
Y'all gotta
Not
hurry
even
up.
putting my
How much are you done?
It's like that.
You gotta hurry up.
Oh god.
I'm done, but.
That's right.
Oh my god.
Elliot! It's gonna take a lot of time to crash you badgers to stop us.
Oh, he's in the video.
You got, what, 10 seconds?
Oh,
Can't post it. He was in
Go.
the video.
Do an air bubble.
they couldn't see him, or I could just edit it out.
Done.